my name is Heidi. I'm a licensed massage therapist. I give Google Sheets a 5 out of 5 rating, so please click below for additional reviews. Before Google Sheets, I just used Word spreadsheets, and while they were functional, I prefer the ability to share my sheets with employees and marketing people as well as my accountant. Just makes things a lot easier. I chose Google Sheets for one because Google is a name that I know, and I've used Google Docs and Google Suite and a few other of their products that I knew was user-friendly. So when I was looking to switch up my spreadsheet template, Google Sheets seemed like a natural integration, and I'm happy I did so. Google Sheets was super easy to set up, like all Google products. It's very user-friendly, so you don't have to be tech-savvy. Everything is as it seems. Each button, if you hover over it, it tells you what it does, so it's very seamless. If you're going to get Google Sheets, I just say know what information you want to put on it and know that each template is customizable, so if you don't see the exact layout that you want, just play with it a little bit and you'll get where you need.